In this video, we will learn how you can check your downloaded files on iPhone. So if you've downloaded something from Safari, Google Chrome, or some other place on your iPhone, but you don't know where to find those files, then follow my steps because it's a pretty easy process. In order to see our downloads, we will first have to open the Files application on our iPhone. This is Apple's official app that allows us to view and manage different files on our iPhone. The app looks like this. So just open it and make sure to go over to the Browse section. Once you're on this page, you will see the iCloud Drive, On My iPhone, and a couple of more sections. If we want to find our Downloads folder, we will open the On My iPhone section right here, and then you'll get here. If you use Google Chrome on your iPhone and you've downloaded some things from there, you can open this folder and you will be able to view and manage the files that you've downloaded from that browser. But I'll go back and open this Downloads folder, and I will see all of the different files which I've downloaded from Safari on my phone. These can be PDF files, they can be videos, photos, zip files, and other things. If I long press on any of the files, I'll get a bunch of different options that I can click on and do with the file. I can share the file with someone, I can duplicate it, rename it, and many more things. But that's essentially it. That's how you can find and check the downloaded files on your iPhone. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you soon.